Hey, good morning, people. We are still on the go for pre-launch, but please do not forget your 6x6 business plan, because 6x6 is the key. I'll be doing a training on that today, and please follow us on our YouTube channel. Below this video, you will see the YouTube channel link. Follow us on the YouTube channel for us to get updates. Precisely, the 6x6 is the key to a fast progress in this arena. And secondly, we will be after the pre-launch have a major event in 12 cities to introduce the 6x6 to a very unique set of persons, which we don't need to disclose now. And our 8 African countries reps will be coming in to Nigeria. Precisely this week we are entering. So please, if you're interested to be part of the 6x6 coming up with level 1 to level 5, inbox me or DM me or follow me on my Facebook page and make a comment. Our Facebook page and make a comment. I will quickly get in touch with you. Thank you very much. Okay, I also want to talk about the power of planning. The power of planning and managing your business is also very important, because if you don't plan and do a proper management strategy to see how you kick off from the day of pre-launch, it will take you a little difficult and a little more time in progressing in this industry. One of the most interesting things is if you look at the situation in the country, you don't just think anything is possible. But let me share with you this morning on this my morning devotion that one of the key factors is planning and putting in a strategy that will work for you. That is the key factor. The second thing you need to know about it, we have two kind of time, and time is very precious. God is one of the greatest gifts God has given to us, time. But how do you use your time, especially the Kairos time? Because we have the chrono time, which is the normal chronology time, and we have the Kairos time, which is a seasonal time. This pre-launch is a seasonal time, and it doesn't really come so often. Once in 2 years, once in 3 years, once in 6 months, you have the season, and there's chance and time for every person in and out of season. And this is a key note. What is your plan for your time, so that you don't miss out on this upcoming opportunity? Please, it's a huge opportunity, but the few persons that will benefit from it are those that will put in the drawing on the board and do a proper smart goal. When I mean smart goal, the goal should be measurable, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time frame. You put these things together and get a SWOT analysis. I can assure you that this project is going to excite you in the few days to come. So let's get set, get ready, and do what we know how to do well. And I can assure you that the upcoming event will be a massive event for us. Thank you very much, and keep on watching her too. Please like this channel and subscribe to it so that you get more updates. Thanks.